Hello and welcome from KiboPush team. In this video tutorial, we are going to talk about Google Sheets integration. This feature basically lets you transfer data from KiboPush to Google Sheets and vice versa. This is particularly useful if you want to export subscribers' data to Google Sheets or import useful information from Google Sheets to KiboPush. I'm going to show how you can do this, and the first step is to connect your Google account with KiboPush. Go to Settings from Main menu, click on Integrations, and here Connect to Google Sheets. Click on Connect. Select the account that you want to connect with KiboPush. Provide your password. Okay, now this is basically going to allow Google Sheets and KiboPush to speak to each other to send and retrieve data. Congratulations, our integration has been successful. Okay, so now I'm going to show how you can save or retrieve data from Google Sheets. Okay, so here is my sample data of customers, and I would also want to know which age group they belong to and what are their reading preferences. So I'm going to create a broadcast on KiboPush and ask my subscribers this information and save it in my Google Sheets. Go to Broadcast from Main menu, click on Create New, select your page. I'm going to create a new broadcast. Okay, so first I'm going to add a text component that is going to say, please provide following information so that we can recommend you books relevant to your interest. Next. Next, I'm going to add user input, and I'll ask my users to provide us with their age. Age will be a number, and as an action item, I'm going to save the user's age in our custom field age. Click on Add Action, click on Custom Fields, click on Assign User Responses to Custom Fields. Okay. So I'm going to select my custom field age. So the value user has provided will be saved in my custom field age. Save. I'm going to add another question which says, what is your favorite literary genre? And the reply type will be text. So once we've asked for everything that we want to know, our final action would be to send that information to Google Sheets. So as user answers my last or final question, I'm going to perform the action to save the answers in my Google Sheet. Select Add Action, click on Google Sheets. Insert is going to add a new row in my Google Sheet. Since I already have my customer's record in the sheet, I'm going to choose to update the row to add the 2 extra fields. Click on Update Row. Select the spreadsheet. My spreadsheet is Readers Club. And select your worksheet, Young Readers. Okay. So next comes the lookup column. This is the column in the Google Sheet that would be searched for the matching lookup value. Here my lookup column is name, and it should match the first name of my subscribers. These fields will let my system know which record should be updated. If there is no match, then a new record will be inserted. Then select the columns where users' answers will be saved. For the question provide your age, I'm going to select the column age. My user's age will be saved in the age column, and my user's literary interests would be saved in the column name interest. So this is all what I want to ask my users right now. Click on Next. Click on Next. I'm going to send this message to view it on my messenger. Click on Send, and here I receive my message. I'll provide the requested information here. And here you see my Google Sheet record has been updated to include the asked information. Similarly, we can also import data from Google Sheets and save it in the custom fields. Let me show you how this can be done. We are going to save cities information for each subscriber in our custom field. I'm going to create a message I'll add a text component that says, are you interested in literary activities happening around you? I'm going to add a button which says yes. Click on Add Action, click on Google Sheets, select Get Row by Value. Select your spreadsheet, select your worksheet, select the lookup column which will be name and the lookup value which is the first name of my subscribers. Now select the data columns which you want to populate. I want to populate the city column from my Google Sheets to my custom field city. Click on Save. Okay, I'll just add another button which says No. And as an action, I'll choose Reply with a message. Click on Next. On the No button, I'm going to reply users with no problem. Okay, so I'm going to send this on my messenger. Click on Next, click on Send. So here I have received my message and I'm going to click on Yes. As an action, this should save my city value from Google Sheets into my custom fields. Let's see if my custom field value has been updated or not. Click on Subscriptions, go to Subscribers. Here is my record. I'm going to click on the record and click on Show. So my custom field value city has been updated and this comes from the Google Sheets. Now this can be the basis for filtering and organizing your subscribers to target them differently for achieving your marketing goals. This is how Google Sheets integrations work in KiboPush. For now, this is all from my side. Stay connected with KiboPush. Have a nice day. Thank you.